On today's episode of Fixing Shit Around the House Using 3D Printing, this thing. Step number 1 of fixing problems using 3D printing: identify the problem. So this is a big metal pipe that goes into my basement. I don't really know why, but my house is 200 years old, so there's a lot of things that make no sense. Whenever it rains, well, wouldn't you know, water gets into my basement. So I put a plastic bag over it with some hose clamps, but as you can see, step 2, measure. Printing pro tip: if you don't own a ridiculously large set of calipers, order a set. I will link these here. These are like $35 on Amazon. Well worth it. Is it the most accurate thing in the world? No. But better to have it and be off by a couple thousandths than to not have it and not do any of these things at all. And we're gonna take our measurement. 173.75. Step 3, measure. We're gonna call this 45. Step 4, model it up.
Step 5, printing.
Step 6, test fit and install. Let's see if our handiwork was handy or worked. Well, looks like our measurements were about as perfect as they could have been. That fits nice and snug. We're just gonna tighten up our clamp. Step 7, optional, admire your handiwork. That is one more house project done. And there we go. That is the 7 steps to fixing shit around the house using 3D printing. If you thought this was helpful, informative, or you just enjoyed it, like, follow, share, leave a comment. What things do you fix around your house, or what would you fix around your house if you had a 3D printer and could model your own things? So let me know what you think. In the meantime, stay weird, keep printing. Peace.